just a normal woman living everyday life.
Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is what I eat in a day, and I will show you all what I ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I hope you all enjoy. I cook breakfast every morning for me and my family, even on the weekends. Breakfast is so important to me, guys. And I also take my vitamins every day. And this portion of the video is just showing you all some of the vitamins that I do take throughout the day. While I am enjoying my breakfast, I love to write in my food journal. My food journal is something that is very important to me. I love to write in it every day. I love to plan my meals for what I'm going to eat for the day. Okay, everyone, so now it's lunchtime. And for my lunch for today, I will be having a smoothie. Guys, I love making smoothies. Smoothies is another way for me to get the proper nutrients that I need for the day, such as vitamins, vegetables, and fruits. So yeah, comment down below and let me know if you like to drink smoothies throughout the day. And if so, let me know your smoothie recipes that you like to make in order to get nutrients and vitamins that your body needs. I hope everyone has been enjoying my video so far, and if you have been enjoying my video and you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, and that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload.